All right, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. Of course, we're going to talk about Genius Brands International. Make this as short a video as we possibly can. And if you guys are just joining us, welcome in. We're going to leave links all over the place so you guys can check out credentials to make sure that everything we have said in these videos have come to fruition. In fact, I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, guys. Stick around with me till the end. Don't skip this, okay? This is important. We're posting this before the markets open. And again, if you're just joining us, welcome in, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Join us. The YouTube algorithm really picks up this channel and promotes it, guys. So we appreciate all of your help. Hitting that thumbs up, subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. Our loyal subscribers, welcome back, guys. Let's not waste time. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 3rd, 2021, and the previous close of Genius Brands is going to be $1.38. It's 0% for the day. Started exactly where it opened, okay? Now, guys, stick with me here. I'm going to show you something that may blow your mind. We're going to revisit the previous video and just take a listen in on the price levels where we said it could potentially go down to, and I think the price on the video was like 146. We're going to rewind it here, but just listen on what we said that could happen in the price. And that information goes as followed. Excuse me. Again, I will be buying more instruments, assuming that I have this inverted dome, the levels correct. We could potentially be up against a move that the sellers want to actually make sure that this inverted dome has support. Okay, what does that mean? Well, that means that the price will likely come back down to this level that I told you guys at about $1.31, $1.25. If it spikes below there and it quickly recovers, that's perfectly fine. Something similar to what happened right over here. So there you have it, folks. I don't know if you heard, but we were simply saying that we're potentially up against the sellers attempting to see if this inverted dome has support, guys. I cannot make this up. We said about $1.31 or $1.25. And as I'm just kind of circling here, guys, there's only been wicks. Well, it didn't kind of wick here, but there's only been wicks at this inverted dome. And thankfully, I'm not delusional because as we zoom in here, you can see it right on the screen there, guys. This is a reversal candle. You may not even be able to see that, guys. Let me know down in the comment section what is the name of this reversal candle here, if you can actually see that. Okay, the price literally, I don't know if you guys can see that, it went down to 131. Let me see if you can actually see that on the screen, guys. Right here on this daily close, if you can see that right there, it says 131. Hopefully you guys heard me in the video, said that it could potentially go down to 131 or even 126. It literally spiked at that level, guys. I can't make that up. So let's just get to what I see next. Okay, stop the rambling. Now, you guys know who follow me closely, that when the price, when we're looking for a particular level to break up or break down, we look for the candle's bodies. These are the 3-day candles. Notice this 3-day candle's body has had a successful candle's body to break through that $1.46 level. That is this red line here, guys. So what does that mean? This means that within the next 3 days, I don't want it to take longer than that. Within the next 3 days, the price needs to get back above the $1.46 level. If it does not do that, then I would be not in the same bullish reasoning, or, you know, my bullishness when the price was above 146 will kind of take a small shift. I'll just say that. Okay, because again, it has a successful candle to close below 146, and I know someone's like, dude, you're just picky, just stop it, just buy. No, that's fine, guys. You can do that. I am very unique in the way that I entered this market. I'm not just gonna, because of the fundamentals, I'm just gonna buy this. No, I don't even know what this is. Okay, I'm going to pay attention to the lines and the patterns that I have particularly put on this chart. This is how I understand the direction, the ebbs and the flows in the market. So I'm going to continue doing that. And in this case, it looks as if there has been a reaction at this green line. I'm not going to say it's support just yet. It's too early to call that because the price must get back above $1.46. Okay. Next week, I'd want to see it within 3 days. Honestly, I need to see this thing go all the way back up to $1.60 and clear all these sell orders overhead, because I'm not comfortable at this point excuse me, the way the sellers have stepped into the market so aggressive. I wouldn't say so aggressively, but they've stepped in pretty fast. I don't like how quickly they've stepped in, and now they actually have a successful candle to close below 146. This leads me to believe that, let me just back out here so you guys can see it. Notice how when the price gets below the 146, this 146 level right here, let me just kind of circle this area here. You see when it kind of closed above it there, but then it just kind of dropped right back down. You see that it went all the way down to $1.05. So we'll be subjected to the price action just above $1. And there is another pattern that I want to share with you guys, but I don't want to show it to you just yet. I will show it to you when/if the price breaks below this inverted dome that we have on the chart. I'm going to assume at this point that the inverted dome has some type of significance, okay? So all I need to see, I know I was telling you guys, all I need to see is the Friday's close. It's past Friday, and it did not close above 146. So now I have to, scratch my head right now and figure out, okay, now what needs to happen is it needs to get back above 146. I've been saying that level forever, guys. And we closed below, so now I feel as though things could take a shift here. So you had better be prepared, because I am prepared. Okay, I only started with a 10% position. I still have 90% of capital to deploy on this market. So I'm in a very good position, guys, to unload on this market, okay? And you guys should practice that as well, guys. Practice a scaling method. Start with 5%. Start with 10%. I know some are saying, dude, that's not enough, man. I need to get some money in this account, dude. And I mean, that's fine. But I play with options anyway. So either way the market goes, I'm not betting against it if it goes down. It's just not enough room for me to try to make any money on this to the downside. I'm just not interested in. I'll just walk away from it before I try to put it down. And I'm bearish by nature, guys. So that's just how I'm gonna approach this market. So Genius Brands. All of that said, could have been summed up into just saying within the next 3 days, I need to see it close above 146, guys. That's how we're gonna end on this video. $1.46. 3 days up to a week. I don't want it to take longer than a week. I really need to see this thing show some strength, because in that case, it would show some strength to me. That means the buyers are like, they're relentless. They're like, no, we're not getting below there, and maybe coming back down and just kind of find another, bounce off this line. I need to see some tight consolidation and the buyers just relentlessly pushing this price up, guys. And there is still hope for this stock. And I'm not saying that it might be hopeless. I know there's a lot of people that are bullish on the stock and saying this is an easy play. Maybe it is, guys, but I play these markets strategically. I enter these markets. I exit these markets. I am not a trader. I'm a market participant. Anything you want to call me, just don't call me a trader. Traders lose money, okay? I'm not a trader. You can leave a thumbs down for that. That's fine, guys. This is just me, my preference, and my unique way of separating myself from the crowd, okay? I feel like I'm rambling. 146, guys, it needs to close above that level within the next 3 to 7 days. I'm still long the market. I would like to deploy more on this instrument on Monday morning, depending on where it opens. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you for joining me here. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Let me know that if you are still interested in buying more of this stock, because it's a steal at this price and we are crazy to even think about selling. Let us know that down in the comment section, guys. It is Napoleon Macro. Before you go, guys, we also go over the alternative markets. If you guys are into Bitcoin, it's been actually on fire lately, and altcoins. Let us know down in the comment section. And subscribe, hit the bell so that you'll be notified when we actually come out with that content, guys. So, hey, guys, thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Hopefully, we'll talk soon here. And, yeah, bye for now.